Hello, Anmol. Anmol.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Alhamdulillah. Check your network. Any sound is coming from there.
Sir,
Rumaya. And who is Subarna Chaudhary? Rumaya, I know. Mushfiq, I know. But Subarna Chaudhary, in your
Lamisa. It's Lamisa.
Lamisa, please tell her to use the academic name, please. This way we can accept. They should use the academic name. Yeah. Then
sir, now it's okay.
I think it's quite better than before. Let's start, right? You were asking about 6, right? To discuss 6 again. Anmol. Hello, Anmol.
Yes, sir.
So still you have doubt or you understood it?
No, sir. I have no problem, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Could
Sir,
you please
Ryan have doubt.
mute your side? Whose phone is ringing? Mute your side. This is your, your responsibility to make our classroom quiet, right? Silent, so that everyone can listen clearly. Now, I was talking about question 6. Anmol,
Sir, Ryan will have question.
still you have doubt with this?
No, sir. Ryan will. He asked you to.
Okay.
Sir, I have a problem
Ryan
about the
was
formula.
asking. Ryan, you were
Yes, sir.
asking. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what is the formula of this? Can you tell me? For 6.
Oh, no. Sir, sorry, not 6, number 7. I have problem with number 7, not 6.
Okay, 6, no one has problem, right? Who were present yesterday, you have no problem, right? They who missed the class yesterday, please follow the recording. I give the recording link in your Google Classroom, also in your Messenger group. So if you watch this video, and previous videos also I uploaded, so you will get the idea about the exam patterns and discussions. You will understand. Yeah. Now question 7.
No, sir. I think I have a problem about number 6. I just went through
6.
the question.
Okay,
Right, sir.
6 you have problem. Now we are continuing with 6. Then we'll go to 7. Okay, 6 and 7 are similar. So they are asking you to find the pressure below its surface. That means it's a tank, right? And tank is containing oil. Oil is liquid. That's why you have to know the formula for measuring liquid pressure. What is the formula?
GH row.
What is the formula? Could you please write? Ayan, the note you sent me, there this formula is written.
Hello, Shatra sir.
Please raise your hand. If anyone wants to talk other than Ryan, you should raise your hand. Otherwise, it's making noise in class. Yeah, Bashafat, tell me.
Sir, Lamisa is in waiting room, sir. Please.
Tell her to use academic name. Okay, I already told you
Sir,
many
she
times.
is in waiting room, sir. She is in waiting room.
Really, with the academic name?
Yeah.
Tell her to
No, there
come
is
with
no one
Lamisa
Lamisa.
name.
There is Subarna Chaudhary.
Tell
her.
Okay,
Tell her that you should use academic name. Okay. Now, look. This is the formula. Ryan.
Yes, sir.
The notes you sent me through email, this one is available over there, this formula. Please go through your notes.
is proportional to the gravitational field strength,
Yeah,
the depth, and the density of the liquid.
yeah. Pressure equals. It's not proportional. It's pressure equals H rho V. H is for height of the liquid or depth of the liquid. Then rho is the density of the liquid, and G is the gravitational field strength. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Now you put the values given in the question. Then you tell me the answer. Please quick.
Yes.
Make it quick.
So you'll take me time. Just a second.
Hmm. Yeah. Ryan.
Sir, I'm doing it. Just a second.
Yeah. Barshafad. Hello, Barshafad. You
Sir,
raise the
answer
hand.
will be 51,000 pascals.
Okay, 51,000 Pascal. You did it, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Just multiply with the values. You
Yep.
see the H
We
is
got it. 51,000
Sir,
Pascal.
yeah. So everyone
we
got
will
it, right?
multiply the values. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now we can go to question 7.
Yes.
What about others? Maruf,
Sir, I've
then
done it.
they who joined today, you understood it. Arina, Rumaya, Mushfiq, Azwat.
Sir, we understand.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
The answer is D, 51,000 Pascal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone, if you already understood, then we can go to question 7.
Yes,
Similar formula. Yeah, similar formula we will use for question
Sir,
7.
similar formula.
Mhm. Can you
Sir,
please,
I've done this.
yeah, can you please continue, Ryan, this one,
All right, sir. Just a
so
second.
that we can understand. Yes, you are
Sir,
confident.
7
You already did one, another one.
24,000.
Yes.
Yeah, Ryan, continue, please.
Yes,
Read
sir.
loudly.
All right, sir. The base of a rectangular storage tank is 2 meter by 2 meter. The tank
2
is
meter by 3 meter.
filled with, the tank is filled with
Paraffin.
pa- pa- paraffin to a depth of 3 meter.
Oh,
The density of paraffin is 800 kilogram per meter cube, and the gravitational field strength is 10 Newton per kg. What is the pressure at the bottom of the tank due to the paraffin?
Yeah.
Option A, 2400 Pascal. Option B, 14,400 Pascal. Option C, 24,000 Pascal. Option D, 144,000 Pascal.
Okay, so you calculate it. How you will do it?
Right?
You please
Sir,
tell
we
me.
will multiply.
You are going to find the pressure, right? Pressure of paraffin. Paraffin is a liquid,
yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So
So we use formula.
what is the
Sir,
formula?
E
sir,
is equal
GH
to
rho.
H rho G.
Sir, the P equals to
H rho
H
G.
into rho into
Rho
G.
into G.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what is your H here?
With the
Sir,
Sir,
H
3
is
3
H,
meter.
3
3
sir,
meter.
H,
3
H
meter.
is
Then
3
Yes,
meter.
rho is
3
how
meter.
much?
Sir, rho is
800
800.
kg per meter
800
cube.
kilogram per
Yeah,
meter cube.
and D you know, right? 10.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
Yeah,
10.
10
10
Newton.
Newton per kg.
D
Always
is
10
always
Newton.
constant. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
what
10
is
Newton.
the answer comes?
Sir,
Sir, 24000.
24,000
24,000
pascals.
Pascal. Number
That
14
C.
means that is C, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
C.
Okay, this
24,000
if
Pascal.
you get this type of questions or similar idea, then you can solve, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to next one, question 8. Question 8 we are doing. Now another student, I will ask another student to join here in discussion.
Almost 24,000 আসছে না?
And
Here,
Sir,
Rumaya,
sir,
Rumaya,
Yes,
Rumaya.
sir.
Hello, Rumaya.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello,
please
sir.
read question 8.
sir,
An earthquake wave travels through the solid surface of the earth from the east to west. The solid surface vibrates in the north-south direction. How can the earthquake wave be described? Sir, অপশনগুলো পড়বো?
Yes.
Electric magnified, B. Long threaded, C. Sound, D. Transfer wave.
Okay, wait. So here you have some corrections, right? One is
so can
sir,
I
first
it
read
will
the
be
options?
electromagnet and longitudinal.
Wait, no one
Electromagnetic
should talk.
waves.
No one should
All right,
talk, please.
all right.
Okay. Here the first one is electromagnetic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pronounce now electromagnetic. Say
Electric magnetic,
electromagnetic.
electromagnetic,
Yeah. Then longitudinal.
longitudinal.
Yeah. So these two you pronounced wrongly. You should be aware about this, right? These are
Yes,
physics
sir.
term.
Sir,
You
sir.
should pronounce them clearly.
Sir, answer
And
is transverse.
wait.
Bacha, wait. Let her speak.
Asha,
What?
patience,
Okay.
patience. Look, they are saying you about earthquake, right?
Yes, sir.
And earthquake is one in your notes. If you see, there there is discussion about mechanical wave, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Right.
Yeah.
Which one requires a medium? That one is called mechanical wave. And in mechanical wave, as there is medium required, that's why the sound wave, earthquake, these are similar, right? Quite similar. Okay.
Right.
Yes,
But
Yes, sir.
earthquake, it is also named as seismic wave, and there it could be longitudinal or it could be transverse, both, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
But sound wave is always longitudinal. It's
Yes, sir.
fixed. But earthquake or seismic wave, it can be longitudinal or transverse. And other
Yeah.
one is electromagnetic wave. It does not require any medium like light wave, radio wave, then in your house you are using infrared, right? Infrared,
Yes, sir.
microwaves, okay, then gamma rays. All these are called electromagnetic waves. X-rays,
Yeah.
these are all electromagnetic waves. Then ultraviolet rays. So all these are electromagnetic waves, and they are similar to light wave. As you know that light wave is transverse wave. So all the electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. Here, so
yes,
I'm
sir.
I'm discussing about many things of waves. So you should carefully listen and link with the information with the next questions. Okay. Now, electromagnetic wave, it will not be earthquake because electromagnetic
They
wave
need mediums.
is a non-mechanical wave, right? So
Right.
Yes.
not related to earthquake. Then it can be longitudinal. It's not sound wave. It can be transverse. Now, from the discussion or the information given at the first line, you
Sir,
see,
since it travels in north-south, it goes perpendicular, right?
yeah, perpendicular,
Yes.
exactly. So, if it is perpendicular, then we say this is transverse, right?
Transverse.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, from this
Thank you.
idea, east west and north south, they are saying it's indirectly that it is working
Transverse.
perpendicularly, right?
Yes, sir.
They are not directly saying perpendicularly, but from the information we understand it is perpendicular. Okay,
Right.
and as it is
Yes, sir.
perpendicularly vibrating with the direction of energy transfer, that's why it is transverse wave. So it's clear now. I think
Sir.
I think everyone is clear, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I think with this discussion, many of your confusions removed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to our next question, question 9. In your notes, I also found that there is discussion about phase, trough, amplitude, wavelength, right? That's
Yes, sir.
why
Yes, sir.
I gave this question related. For making your worksheet, I had to work a lot. I had to study a lot, and I had to collect all the things you already got in last 6 months. So it took time for this.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yeah, now we are going to listen. I know that some of you are very much expert and you have good knowledge in all the subjects, not only physics, but I want my other students also participate, right?
Yes, sir.
So you should give them some chances. Yeah, Taki, they who are silent, they are always silent. Taki, hello, Taki. Taki, Taki, are you there?
Taki's mic is off.
Yeah, his mic is off. So,
Taki.
Lamisa, you continue.
Sir, he's telling yes.
He's saying yes.
Yes, sir. In chat, he
Okay,
wrote yes, sir.
then he can talk. Okay. Only
Taki,
writing is
turn on
not
your
enough.
mic.
He has to speak,
Taki,
right?
turn on your mic.
So can I get a quick explanation on what is amplitude?
Yeah, we will explain it. Wait, Lamisa is
Sir,
there?
I have
Lamisa?
turned on my mic.
Yeah.
Yes,
Taki,
sir.
Taki, are you talking?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, please read the question and then we will go for discussion.
The diagram shows the surface of water as a wave
Taki,
passes
slow
across a
down.
ripple tank, which lengths represent the amplitude and wavelength of the wave.
Okay, so amplitude and wavelength, can you define them?
So I can define wavelength.
Yeah, amplitude. Aki, please speak loudly,
Yes, sir.
clearly, quickly.
Okay, sir.
You are taking so long. Yeah, Marshafad,
Sir,
Sir, can I say definition of
number
amplitude?
let him say.
number B.
Let him say. Number B. Why you are saying number B? I am asking you. Please define
Explain what is
amplitude
amplitude
and
and wavelength.
wavelength. Define them. Then you say the answer because we need the discussion, right?
No, sir.
What is amplitude?
Sir, I forgot the
Sir, may I
Okay,
definition of
answer?
fine.
amplitude. Can you?
Okay, fine. Yeah, I
Sir,
am
may I
explaining.
answer?
No problem, because it's taking long time for you. Look, uh, here,
Amplitude is the height of the crest.
yeah. Look,
The
try to
average
understand
maximum height
whatever
from
whatever
rest
you
position.
are understanding or learning. You should learn it clearly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look,
With fun.
it is there is one middle line right here. Look, there is one dotted
Right.
lines, isn't it? And
Yes.
this dotted lines is showing you the rest position. Okay,
Right.
what is called? It is rest position of the
Is
particles.
particles.
Okay, and you can say molecules or you can say particles. So these particles are staying here in rest, and when they get energy, that time they start vibrating up and down, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
From this rest position. So they are vibrating up and down. You see here the vibration is smaller, and in the middle the vibration is biggest, right? Longest.
Right.
Here you see.
Sir, can I
uh,
tell wavelength?
wait, don't be
Okay, sir.
crazy. You see this one is amplitude, and this one is also amplitude. Someone is saying about only crest. Look, amplitude
There is
amplitude
both
is
crest and trough.
yeah,
The both.
amplitude is the maximum displacement from the rest position. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear to you? So
Yes, sir.
here, look, here is also some displacement. Okay,
This can also
but
be
Yes, sir.
but this one is not
Not the
maximum
maximum.
displacement, and the middle one, it is the maximum displacement both the sides, you know, up and down. And here is one amplitude, and the bottom part there is another amplitude. So for one complete wave you are getting two amplitudes, right?
two amplitude. Two.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Here, so
Here.
which one is amplitude now? Can you tell me?
So R is the amplitude.
Sir, Q.
Look,
Q.
Ryan read,
Q.
r
Yes, sir.
r is the double
Oh
of
no.
amplitude.
So R doesn't have a crest. Right. Sorry.
Look,
Sir,
r
SQ,
r
sir.
is the double of amplitude. Mind it, Ryan.
Right.
Yeah, so you are getting here upper side and lower side both. Here double the amplitude. But your amplitude should be which one?
The upper one.
Sir, it
Q.
should be
The
Q.
crest.
Yeah,
Q is.
Q.
Q. Just
Your
Q.
Oh,
amplitude is only Q here. They are
Q
saying
two.
which mark is giving appropriately amplitude. Which one is
Q.
giving you amplitude?
Sir,
Q,
Q.
right?
Q.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you are getting Q in A and B both. Now we will check
Yes,
with
sir.
wavelength. Now
The
tell
P.
me, Taki,
P.
Yes,
Taki,
sir.
yeah, now tell me what is wavelength?
Sir, wavelength is the distance between two successive crests.
Only,
Or troughs.
only.
So it is
Yes,
Both
simply the
crests and
length of
troughs,
So,
one
Taki.
complete wave cycle.
yeah, look, wavelength, in three ways we can calculate wavelength. Okay, from crest to crest. Okay, then from top to top.
Two troughs.
Yes, sir.
That distance. Another one is there. Do you know that one?
From two rest positions.
No. Look, I'm saying you. Uh, you see, there is starting of the wave right here, isn't it?
Yes.
So here the
Yes, sir.
wave starts. There is one crest and there is one trough, right? One crest and
Yes.
one trough is making your complete wave. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
from the starting of the crest and to the end of the trough, the
Trough.
distance covered. Okay. Distance covered directly, that is what?
Wavelength.
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 It is
Wavelength.
also wavelength. So wavelength also from the starting of the wave to the end of the wave. In three
Yes, sir.
ways we can get the wavelength. So which one is our wavelength now? Tell me.
So it's P.
P,
Sir,
P.
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 P
Only
is the
case
wavelength.
goes.
They who only knows, they who only know crest to crest, trough to trough. If you don't know the third one, that from the starting of the wave to the end of the wave, then it will be problem for you during exams, right? So you should know everything related.
Yes, sir.
Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question 9 is over, I think, right? Our
Yes, sir.
answer is A. What should be the answer?
Yes.
A.
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 Thank you so
A,
much
A.
for your active participation. Now, let's go to the next. Let's start this one. Then who will read? Let me check who can be taken here. Azwad. Azwad is there. Hello, Azwad. Azwad
As well.
is, is not
As well.
responding. He is not responding. So, uh, Bashafat, can you send the snap in the group participants information?
Okay, sir.
Now, if Azwad is not responding, then Lamisa, Lamisa, you continue.
Okay. Number 10. A
Yeah.
boat moves up and down repeatedly as the water wave passes it. Which name is given to the number of up and down movements of the boat per unit time? A. Amplitude.
Okay.
Sir, may I
So
answer? Sir, may I
listen.
answer?
Yeah. Tell.
So it's
So the
D.
answer I think will be frequency.
Frequency. Who is saying it?
Adrita.
Adrita. Okay.
And me, Ryan.
Why you are thinking it is frequency?
Sir, because frequency is the number of times a particle of a wave it vibrates.
Vibrates per
Okay.
unit time.
Per unit time
Yes.
or
Yeah.
per unit second, right? So you
Yes,
got
sir.
Yes, sir.
why I gave you this one because
So
in your
here the water wave is a wave
yeah,
and the boat is a particle.
yeah, in your notes I found that you got the definition of frequency also, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
there you got the idea that number. You first listen to me that what is called frequency. Frequency is the number of complete cycles per unit time. I am writing it. I'm writing it here. Everyone, you check it. Frequency equals number of complete
Cycles
cycles
per unit time.
divided by time. Whatever the time is, if you calculate, it comes per unit time. So here you are getting number of complete cycles divided by time. Now they are
Sir,
saying you which name is given to the number of up and down. We are saying number of up and down. That means for up we are getting crest, for down we are getting trough.
Prof.
graph.
So if you are taking one up, one down, that means one complete wave, one complete
Wait.
cycle.
Yes.
Okay. So number of complete cycles, number of complete up and down you are getting, and that is per unit time you are getting frequency.
Frequency.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So this one is clear to you,
Yes.
everyone?
Sir.
Yes.
Now one
Yes.
thing we will make a deal today. That is for your betterment. I want to give you some more time. Like tomorrow in our routine, we don't have any class, but
You want to give extra
I
class?
I
Okay.
think I think if we do another class, that will make you more confident.
Yes, sir.
And tomorrow, 11 o'clock, I want to take the class.
Okay.
Yes, sir. No
Sir,
Okay?
problem.
sir, tomorrow we have class, sir, at 11.
Yes,
What
sir.
class?
Only
Friday
We have
you
just
have
math
class.
class
class?
at 11.
Yes, sir.
Friday?
Omid
साढ़े
sir
छः
also
छुट्टी समय
takes
करोगे
extra class in Friday
छुट्टी
at
समय करोगे
11.
Who said?
And
Which subject?
Sir, he takes class. Maths.
Maths class.
Maths class 11.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
So we will take 10 o'clock. Any problem?
Sir, 12. 12.
12 is namaz time, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
10.
Yes, sir.
10.
10
10.
o'clock. 10 o'clock you do,
Okay,
okay?
sir. Okay, okay. Okay.
Because in the afternoon time you have to revise for the next day exam, right?
Yes, sir.
Afternoon and night. That's why I don't prefer afternoon time. It's better to do in morning. 10 o'clock, okay? Done.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Then we can complete the worksheet, and if you have any more questions, then we can discuss, okay?
Sir, from
So,
this worksheet,
yeah, question 10 is done, right?
sir,
Yes.
questions will come from this worksheet edition.
Listen, whatever you got, I told you, not only this worksheet, you got worksheet from Atik sir.
Yes, sir.
Those knowledge, all the knowledge will be assessed, okay? And
Are
if you,
important.
yeah,
Sir,
if
did
you
Atik
check
sir
that,
make the question?
listen, if you check that my questions are also from your previous knowledge, I did not make anything from outside of your knowledge. This worksheet even. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So maybe some of the questions you are finding difficult or couldn't get it, but the knowledge is there. You have that knowledge, right? Okay. Now question 11. Anmol. Yeah. Continue
Yes, sir.
this. Continue. 11.
The diagram shows a ball floating in a tank of water. Which diagram shows the movement of the ball as the wave passes?
Mm-hmm. So this is about
Sir?
water, right? Water wave.
Yes, sir.
So water
Yes,
wave
sir.
is transverse or longitudinal?
Sir, sir, transverse.
Transverse.
Yes, transverse.
Trans-
Water
Yes,
wave,
transverse.
It's transverse.
water
It's a
wave
90
and
degree
Transverse.
electromagnetic
transverse.
wave transverse. So which one is your
Yes.
which one you think is correct option here?
Sir, B.
Sir,
So, sorry,
sir,
D,
D.
D,
Sir,
sir, D,
D.
sir, D,
It's
D.
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 Sorry, D,
D
D.
for
D.
Dhaka.
Yeah,
D for
when,
Dhaka. Yeah.
yeah, D is the correct
Up and
option.
down.
Yeah,
Yeah, up
that
and
one
down.
is showing you up and down clearly, right? Crest and top,
Yep.
Yes.
it's
Yes,
showing
sir.
clearly. So everyone understood it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It
Umaya,
was
you
the
understood?
most easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not most easy, quite easier, right? You can say quite easier, not most easy. Most easy you will get in exam. Okay. Then 12, continue 12.
Which statement about waves is correct? Both energy and matter. Waves do not
Read
transfer
the
either
options.
energy or matter. Waves transfer both energy and matter. Waves transfer energy without transferring matter. Waves transfer matter without transferring energy.
Yeah, this note is also available in your, I saw in Atik sir's note.
Sir,
Sir, it
I
will
think
be B,
answer will
sir.
be B. Sir, B.
Sir,
But the
B.
answer
I
is
think the
Waves
C.
answer will be
transfer both
C.
energy and matter, sir. It will be B.
I think the answer will be C.
No, no, no.
Yeah, the one she was saying that I think the answer should be C. That's the
Yes, sir. The answer is
correct
C.
one. Yeah, because look, I'm giving you Anmol and others, all of you.
Yes,
Look
sir.
at the diagram you did in question this one, question
The
11.
liquid.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
question 11 D. What you got here? What you got here? Here you got
energy.
up and down, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? But the energy is transferring to the right. Okay, for example, it's transferring to the right, right? The particle
Yes,
is
sir.
in its place. Particle is not moving. Particle does not move from its place. Only it's vibrate in the same place. Only energy
Like up and
transfers.
down.
In their
Okay.
equilibrium.
Clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
So the answer should be C. Wave transfer energy without transferring matter.
Matter.
Oh.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it is another thing you understood here, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Wave transfer energy without transferring matter.
Energy. Matter.
So we can go to 13, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
No, we will not go to the 13 today because we have less time. Maybe we can't finish. Tomorrow we will continue from there, right?
Yes, sir.
So what
Okay.
we learned today? What we learned today? We learned details of uh, longitudinal wave,
Wavelength,
transverse
amplitude.
wave examples, right?
Yes.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
And we learned there, you know, how we can define longitudinal and transverse wave.
How we can
Right?
identify.
Yeah, and how can we identify from the definition? And before that, we understood, you know, we understood what is called wavelength, right?
Yes.
And
Wavelength amplitude.
we understood what is called amplitude and how wavelength can be defined in three ways, right?
Yes, sir.
Wavelength is from crest to crest, trough to trough, and from the starting of the wave to the end to the wave, right? And also we understood that students are making mistakes. They are taking double the amplitude sometimes as amplitude, right?
Mm.
Yeah. And another thing we understood here that transverse waves, if you understand transverse waves, then it's going up and down, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And it's not like this, that only the upper side. Okay, here
It
now.
goes both up and down.
And finally, we understood this one. Wave transfers energy without transferring matter. So thank you so much, everyone. Tomorrow we will have again class. Uh, you are welcome to join tomorrow's class. Invite everyone, your friends, okay? They will be benefited. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Or sure, Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.
Have a
Okay,
nice
sir.
day.